All right, guys, so today I wanted to show you my Kydex belt clips. So these are some belt clips that I make. They're made for going onto Kydex sheaths. The spacing on these holes is 1 inch on center in both directions. So they can fit any holes that they're spaced out of 1 inch. So these holes on here are 1/2 inch on center. So, you know, it goes in the first one and then the third one, obviously. But these clips are very modular to where you can put them on either side of your sheath. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, or you like carrying blade forward or blade backwards. And you can also rotate them so they ride 90 degrees. So you can carry this knife horizontally on your belt. They fit up to a 2-inch wide belt and a fairly thick belt as well. So I've had a few customers ask questions about, you know, getting the hardware in and out of them can be fairly difficult. And I thought I'd make a quick little video to show you my tip or how I install the hardware pretty easily. This one is just a blem that I grabbed off my bench, and it's got some like dings and marks on here, so the ones that you get will be a lot nicer. But anyway, so you can see here the holes. This back paddle is the part that attaches to the sheath, and then this portion with the hook, with that J hook, that loops underneath the bottom of your belt and prevents the sheath from getting pulled off. So what I like to do is use a pair of needle nose pliers to hold the post on my Chicago screws here. And I take them and I will angle them back in towards the hole until this portion goes into the hole. And then I just rotate it into place. So we angle it back in there and then just rotate it up and drop it in. And then to install the rubber washer, I like to put the pliers on top of the head of the Chicago screw so it keeps it from pushing upwards. And then I will take my rubber washer and I just push it onto that post. So you can see there, it's onto the post, and then it's held in. It's not going to go anywhere unless you really push on it. And I do the same thing for the front one. So I just hold this open a little bit, angle it in, and then drop it in place. Use my pliers to hold the head of that screw so it doesn't push back up in there. And then just install my rubber washer. And then it's ready to install on the sheath. So you just put this in the eyelets of the sheath and then run your screws from the other side into there. And sometimes these can get a little cross-threaded, like they don't want to go in. So one trick to help with that is if you go backwards until it kind of drops into place and then go forwards. And then they screw right into place. So this is how the clips will come to you with the hardware installed for a right-handed carry onto a Kydex sheath. But if you need to pull them out and switch them around to other holes, now you know how to do that. And the same goes for uninstalling them. It's really simple. You just remove the rubber washers. And the front one will fall right out. You can see that front one came right out. And the other one gets a little stuck. You just reach in there with your needle nose pliers and just pop it out. So as easy as that. If you guys are looking for these, link for them is in the description, and I stock them regularly. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.